Okay, we're talking about brands partnered up so we can see baby baking, beauty and personal care, beer, wine, spirits, beverages, breakfast and cereal, canned goods and soups, condiments and sauces, dairy, deli, frozen, grocery, health and wellness, household magazines, snacks. Look at all that. So just starting from the top, baby, A&D. I definitely remember using that for my daughter. Huggies. Like if you have kids, you know about that. Pull ups, another brand well known. Look at that. Jello, Kraft, Dream Whip, Godiva, Axe, Caress, Degree, Dove. I mean, look at all of this. This is all stuff that you shop and use right now. Vaseline, come on now. St. Ives, Suave. Come on, look at this. Blue Moon, Coors Light, Foster's, Australian for beer, Ice House, Henry's, Mickey's, Hams, Keystone Light, Miller Light. Jesus. The list goes on and on and on. H to the Izzo, Aquafina, Bubbly, Country Time, Lemonade, Dole, Chilled Juices, Gatorade, Crystal Light, Hershey's. The list goes on and on. But I just wanted to give you guys an idea of exactly what brands are partnered up with this Fetch Rewards app so you guys can see. And I'm sure there's some of these that you're looking at now and saying, ah, man, I eat a lot of that. Like for me personally, I definitely love some Cinnamon Toast Crunch. So you can see all of these different brands will earn you points if you use any of these, purchase any of these. You can definitely rack up points just by scanning your receipts. It's just that easy. You can see all the different brands again here. So when you get a second, check it out. You'll be able to find all the information right here on their site. While I have it up, I wanted to also share with you guys some of the rewards. So I'm going to jump over here so we can see some of those rewards. As far as the rewards are concerned, boom, everything from art, beauty, charity, electronics, entertainment, fashion, gifts, home goods, MasterCard or Visa, media, office supplies, pets, restaurants, retail, spa, specialty, travel. Boom, from art, beauty, you can see some of the rewards that you can receive. You can actually make donations to a charity of your choice. Electronics, just got a Fitbit this past Christmas, so this is something that some of you guys are familiar with. GameStop, Nintendo, Dell, Garmin. Man, the list goes on and on. These are the rewards, guys. So if you're looking to get gift cards or Visa cards or whatever the case may be, look at this. Foot Locker, Gap, Kids Foot Locker. I mean, Lane Bryant, Old Navy, Ray-Bans for people who want their stuntas. You know, Bed Bath and Beyond, Visa, everyone likes money. Apple, Google Play, Hulu, PlayStation Store for the gamers, office supplies if you're a business owner, pets, if you have any, Petco, restaurants, Applebee's, BJ's, Burger King. I mean, the list goes on and on and on, but I just wanted to give you guys an idea of some of the things you could claim with the receipts that you're scanning and the points that you're getting. Okay, so check it out and start getting your gift cards, man, and start getting your cash cards, whether that be Visa or MasterCard, whatever you're into. Okay, travel, Airbnb, Uber, all that. Just get excited, man. There's a lot of stuff that you guys can take advantage of. So check it out.